Looking at this quadratic equation, we are being asked to choose one of the correct answer which has been given. In fact, I'll read it out for you. The quadratic equation, lambda x squared minus 4x plus lambda is equal to 0, has real and distinct root only when a 16 minus 4 lambda square is less than 0, b 16 minus 4 lambda square is greater than 0, c 16 minus 4 lambda square is less than or equal to 0, and d 16 minus 4 lambda square is greater than or equal to 0. They're asking us to choose the correct answer. Of course, this is one of the choice of questions I've actually wanted to discuss it with you and to clarify it so that anytime you see similar questions like this, you know exactly what to do. First, they're asking us here which is correct. Just by looking at it, it is very easy to see the correct answer. But first, you must understand what it means by real and distinct root. If an expression or quadratic expression is been given as this one, lambda x squared minus 4x plus lambda, has real and distinct root only, which of the option is correct? First, you must know that for any real and distinct root, the discriminant b squared minus 4ac must be greater than 0. It is not less than 0. It is not less than or equal to 0, and it is not greater than or equal to 0. It must be greater than 0. In other words, just by looking the option of answers, the first here, which is less than 0, it cannot be less than 0 for the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. So this option by eye look cannot be correct. The next, this is the only correct one here, which is greater than 0, because that is what it defines in terms of real and distinct root. It must be greater than 0, and any other options are incorrect. This one is less than or equal to. This one is greater than or equal to. It cannot be correct. In other words, these ones are wrong, and this is the only correct answer. Now let's prove that the discriminant is 16 minus 4 lambda square greater than 0. First, if we are given an expression like this, we must look for the discriminant b squared minus 4ac and group it together to see if we are going to have that 16 minus 4 lambda square greater than 0. Let's try to prove that and see what we have. First, we need to locate b squared, because the discriminant, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac, must be greater than 0. Let's look at b squared from the expression. B here is what? If you look at the expression here, this is like a, lambda is a, b is minus 4, c is lambda. Let's try to put everything here together. A is equal to lambda, comma, b is equal to minus 4, comma, and c is equal to lambda. Let's put it now together. B square here, that is minus 4 square. So we have minus 4 all square minus 4. What is a? A is lambda. The lambda here, a is lambda, as we have seen here. So the expression here, a times c. A is lambda times c. C also is lambda. So we insert lambda as well. Should be what? Be greater than 0. Should be greater than 0. Let's try it and see. Minus 4 square is 16. That is minus 4 times minus 4. It is 16. 16 minus lambda times lambda is lambda square. Lambda square times 4 is 4 lambda square. So minus 4 lambda square, as you can see, is therefore greater than 0. This is it here. 16 minus 4 lambda square is greater than 0. This is exactly it here. 16 minus 4 lambda square is greater than 0. So that's the only case where the discriminant b squared minus 4ac must be greater than 0. But first you must understand that real and distinct root, as you can see here, real and distinct root must only be when the discriminant b squared minus 4ac must be greater than 0. You must use this expression or formula and try to equate looking for the discriminant, that is a, b, and c, as in the case lambda minus 4 and lambda, inserting inside of the expression to try to see how we can get the correct value, which is 16 minus 4 lambda square greater than 0, which reflect the B section that is correct. To those of you who want to see more of similar questions like this, which will solve it, give you the tips and strategy you need to know, and see examples of other criteria of questions which you can see and which you are going to encounter to easily solve them when they are presented to you, then you want to make sure to go ahead to like and subscribe to this channel, enable the notification bell icon, so that anytime we publish videos like this, teaching you exactly some tricks, then of course you'll be the very first to get notified to watch and learn something new. If you have any questions that you would like us to solve, then of course you want to reach it directly to us by sending us the questions using our details from the profile bio. Send the question to us and we'll try our very possible best to make sure that we get it solved for you, explaining how you can get it solved with the tips and tricks you can apply to make things easier for you. See you again in the next upload, and bye-bye for now.